These are the wireless headphones, the HS-3s from Origem. Let's take a closer look. So my friends, these headphones are actually very different to the normal sets that we see and get sent through to us quite often. These are definitely a lot smarter. Now, as soon as I open the packaging, you'll notice straight away that there is a quality of feel about the packaging, the design, and the product itself. Within the box is the instructions, which are a nice little quick start guide, and you've got this handy little carry case, and inside there you've got your USB cable for charging and also your earbuds in various different sizes, which make hopefully it comfortable no matter what size ear you've got. Now, if I just open those up, you'll see there's quite a few in there, so there are literally choices for everybody. Now, the manufacturers do say that the sound quality of these headphones will compete with products like the Bose QC30s and Powerbeats 3, as well as AirPods. So I'm not sure. I will come on and let you know what my thoughts on that are in a second. But one feature that these do have is this patented hinge technology, which actually allows you to bend it around your ear and hopefully will provide more comfort. Now, as you can see from the design itself, you just hook the little earbuds over the end here, depending on which size ones you want on, and then you're ready to fire this thing up and get some music pumping. Now, on the wire connector, you have got this control here, which also has the USB port for charging, but you can actually control this completely wirelessly, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. So these will operate really well in bad weather. They'll handle sweat and rain and snow, for instance, no problem at all, because they are IPX5 waterproof. They are also Bluetooth 5.0, and with the headset, they have thought about the angle of actually how it enters your ear to try and maximize its comfort. It's 120 degrees, and you've got a 70-degree swing in the actual mechanism. Now, charging these is easy and very quick. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours playback. A 30-minute charge will give you up to 6 hours. This is the voice control that we were talking about. This has some intelligent voice capability built in. So there are actually 6 direct voice commands that it will always listen for without activating your voice assistant. And they are play music, pause music, previous song, next song, accept calls, and also reject calls. Now, if you do want to summon your Google Assistant, then all you need to do is say hello voice Q, and that will activate Siri or your Google Assistant. And then you'll be able to obviously do things like book meetings, make calls, all the normal things that you would do with your assistant. So it's very, very intelligent and very good, and it's the first one that we've seen on a pair of headsets. Setting up these, as you imagine, is exactly the same as many other headsets. All you do is press and hold the on button. That will immediately take it into Bluetooth pairing mode, and then all you need to do is go into your Bluetooth settings on your device and look out for the Origem, Crazy Mix, and then connect. Now, because of that hinge, when you do wear these for the first time, you may find that they feel very different and quite unusual compared to other headsets. Now, even when I've tried others with the hook around the ear, they've been silicone hooks, and so therefore they do feel different. This actually feels better because it actually feels that it's gripping, and it's very, very light, and so therefore very comfortable. Now, obviously you do need to take care of these. They do have the potential with that hinge mechanism to be maybe a little bit more fragile than a standard silicone hook around. Now, in order to test the quality of the music, I used Pink Floyd's Money. As a side note, it's an incredible track if you're testing headphones because it has the absolute full range. Now, with headsets like this, you will always lack a degree of bass because it's just not possible to deliver those real beats in such small drivers. But I have to say that the clarity and the richness and the tone of these headphones really delivered something which I wasn't expecting. It was really quite pleasing to listen to. Now, these are not expensive, but they're not cheap. But at the moment, guys, there will be a limited time discount code available for you in the description. So make sure you check them out for yourself. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, click the thumbs up, and maybe if you're not already, consider subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.